Hey there everyone, it's Shamim from White Coders and I'm here today to show you a demo of our new product called Elementor Query Builder. So I have shown you how to activate the license for the product after you install it. Remember, if you don't activate the license, you can't really see the widget in your desired page. So to demonstrate how it works, I will just go to a page and create few examples and show you step by step how it's done. So I already have this page here created, which has few of the queries that I want. I also am using this meta box to create some post type and also some custom fields to add to my posts. For example, if I go to this post list here and I will visit one post here, and if I scroll down, I should see my custom fields. You see there are text field, there are some select fields, there are number field, then checkbox, and anything you mention. So let's go to a page with Elementor here. So this is basically a demo that we already created for everyone to demonstrate. I want to show you. So here I am adding a section. Inside it I am going to call our posts widget of Elementor. There you go. Let's leave everything as it is. Now here the magic begins. If you search with void or query, you should find this little widget here. You can drag and drop it here. And now what you need to do is go to this post widget first. In the query part, you need to actually add a query ID here. I will just add it like this, my query. I'll copy that, then I'll go here and I'll paste that here. So after this, remember this query building thing, you will not be able to see it in the preview. You only can see it if you reload the page or if you see in the front end. So let's first simply select here the post type if you want, or you can just leave it as it is, and then also you can select your category, tags, or like whatever you need. I will just go with some tag here. Actually let's just remove it because that's better. Alright, so now here is the magical part. You can add your custom fields here, the field key. For example, if you are using meta box, you can find the field keys here. Also there is a plugin that is very useful for finding out the meta keys of a post or page or my WooCommerce, whatever you call it. I will give the link in the description. So it's gem show post metadata. I'll just activate it, and now if I go to my posts with the custom field, I should be able to see the custom fields. Let's go here. So if I scroll down, as you can see, I can see all the custom fields that are registered with this post. For example, it's the thumbnail ID. You can see the is featured, so it is for this part. See, it's default to checked, so the value is 1. So let's do some query with it now. I will just go around and show you one of my already created example here. So in this case, let's go here. As you can see, I have the query ID portfolio 001 here. This post user also has this query ID portfolio 001 here. So what did I put here? I put here that if the meta key is featured and its value is 1, and the compare operator here, you can like compare it with many things. If you visit this link, you can actually see all the operator details. That is like in our main site, you can see the details there. There you can use or, in, between, anything, and also you can add multiple field relations here. Like I can say put custom field 2 and the value, let's say, and compare operator, let's say, and also I can define relation between these two fields. It can be a or field or be an and field, so it's really flexible here. So let's see how it's working. You see, I said that if is featured is equals to 1 and the operator is in, show only those posts, and those 4 posts are listed here. Let's move on to the next one. What I did here is used 2 of the fields. So one said the select field value should be choice 1. You can see that we have this. Let's, for example, this select field, this is the select field, and it has 2 choices here selected. As you can see, the array is showing that it has choice 1 and choice 3 in its value. So we are saying that if it is choice 1, and we are saying that if it is choice 3 and it's like, we are showing it here, and that's what is happening. And let's move on to the next one. Here we are using the select field, and again the same select field, but this time the condition relation is and. So if only both of these conditions satisfies, that post will be shown. So we have only one post that has both select field choice 3 and select field choice 1 selected together. That is why only one post is being rendered here. If you move on to the next one, you can see we did not put anything here at all. So what did we do here? We actually used this feature which says that only to get the post that has the featured images. So many times in your site you have some post that you don't actually want to show and you don't want to add featured image to, but that post actually appears, and you need to either manually remove them with the Elementor's query or do some other query yourself. So what we are doing here is we are giving you 3 options. You can show all of the posts with or without images. You can only show the post with images and without images, and also we are taking over the control of Elementor's post per page control and doing it here. You need to change it to have whatever you need. So basically this control we have here, it's not going to work. Okay, so our wizard is taking control of this and using this. So you can see that this one we just did it without featured image, so all the post here is without featured image. Then in here we have also the order by options. So as you can see, I said to show the post in order by, and also only showed one post. So the post ID, you can either order it in ascending order or descending order as per you need, with post ID, post author, title, date, modify date, many things. Probably there will be more added in future, but for now that's it. Now let's move on to some useful features with WooCommerce with our plugin here. So as you can see, I have this post wizard here used, and I have my query set here. It's called product 001 query ID. And now what I did here is I took the meta key from WooCommerce. You can go here and grab your meta keys for your products. I'll just show you. Thanks to the plugin that I just mentioned, JM's post metadata show metadata plugin, you can easily see all the custom fields that WooCommerce registers. So you can see all the cool custom metadata for example, here is the price. This is the original price of the product after the discount. Also, like, you can have post attributes, you see the name, color, etc. Then you can have this, you can have regular price, you can see sale price. So SKU, thumbnail ID, text status, text class, many things are here. You can use all of them here. So what we did here is we took the sale price or like regular price or the price here and put it here, and the value that we want to compare is 20. So we are saying if the price is less equals to 20, only show those products here, and that's what's happening. Same goes for here. For here we are like comparing it with two prices with a comma in between, as you can see, and we are saying that if the price is between 10 to 20, show them, and that's what's happening. And if we move here to events calendar example, so we are saying that to show the post of events, and what we did here is like event venue ID. So you can also find same post data if you go to your events and grab the custom field ID that you need, and then compare it with the value and compare function. You can actually add here more and like do the condition here. So this is a really useful way to query your data and show it on your site for your users. Before you would have to know coding to get this, how it's going, how it has to be done, but now you don't have to do it. So stay tuned, we will update the plugin with more features in future.